What's up, guys? I'm just doing a short video on the portable Colzer air conditioner slash dehumidifier slash heater slash fan. This is a great unit. As a user myself, honestly, I can tell you it's one of the most advanced technologies you should have in your house. If you have an air conditioner like myself that was in the window, or if you have a space heater, or if you have a dehumidifier in the room, this makes it all worth it. I mean, it's all in one. It's high tech, very nice and savvy. Just to show you guys, it comes with a remote. Just one click, opens right up when she starts up, and you can, I mean, obviously use the buttons on here. I was just showing the remote real quick. See, right now what it's trying to do is it's trying to tell what the temperature and humidity is in the room, and based on that, and based on you know, what temperature you put it at, it's going to try and adjust itself to that, which is great. So on top of that, you do have other settings here. So right now I have it at heating. You can select then an auto mode, which it will try and figure out, you know, if it's too hot, too cold. You can take some humidity out, and you just heard it start up. Click refrigeration mode, dehumidification mode, air supply, or heating. So we're gonna keep on heating because it's a little bit it's a little cold in here as it is. And she just shut off because she already knows that, you know, it's already pretty heated in here. Now, just to give you guys a heads up, if you do select heating, you will need to put in the back, there's two little hoses, one on the bottom for heating and then one for dehumidification mode. Both these hoses should be put into some kind of a container, so in which the water can flow into. It's really based on, you know, how much humidity you get in the room, or how much humidity is in your air. So some places you won't be getting a lot, some places you'll be getting a ton. So setup, using it, getting it together, it's very easy. It's very laid back. Putting it in your window is very easy too. I have one of those up and down windows. You know, you put a little bit of foam in between the creases. You should put a little bit maybe on the sides if you want, and then, you know, tighten it up to the degree in which your window space is. Put your little exhaust pipe in. It clips on into the back. It's very simple, very easy, very beautiful. You'll be extremely comfortable in your environment, and I highly suggest it. Guys, this is the Colzer air conditioning unit. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it really helped, and I hope it sways your opinion to definitely give this guy a try. Thanks.